that empowers companies and leaders to commit 1% of equity, profit, product, or employee time to causes that strengthen our communities. Their vision is simple yet transformative. When businesses give back, they create impact that extends far beyond the marketplace. So today, on Giving Tuesday, we recognize the thousands of employees and entrepreneurs who have joined the Pledge 1% community. Together, they prove that success is not measured solely in financial returns, but in the difference we make in communities. This resonates really deeply with Nasdaq because we believe that when organizations unite business and community, they create lasting impact. Amy, congratulations to you and the Pledge 1% community on your incredible success as a force multiplier over the past 10 years. Nasdaq is proud to be your partner and supporter, and we look forward to the purposeful impact we can achieve together. All right, so now please join me in welcoming Amy to the podium.
Thank you, Nasdaq, for your incredible partnership. I'm so grateful to be here on Giving Tuesday, closing out Pledge 1%'s 10-year anniversary and celebrating with all of you, the leaders who shaped this movement. This year feels especially meaningful because I'm joined today by my 8-year-old daughter, Ariana. When I look at Ariana, I'm reminded why we do this work. We're not just building impact programs. We're shaping the possibilities and the norms that her generation will inherit. We're creating a world where business, communities, and children can all thrive together. 2025 hasn't been easy. AI is changing everything, geopolitical tensions are rising, impact work is being politicized, and we're all asked to be doing more with less, much less. Yet despite all these obstacles, you, our Pledge 1% leaders, didn't back down. You stepped up with creativity, resourcefulness, and conviction, modeling what modern leadership truly looks like. That's because Pledge 1% isn't just a movement, it's a mindset. That business can be a powerful platform for good. That this is how we build companies that endure the test of time. And how we can be stronger and better together. Over the last decade, we've done nothing short of extraordinary. This community has sparked over $3 billion in new philanthropy, inspired over 19,000 companies in 130 countries, and proven that one courageous decision can ripple through employees, industries, and generations. That's the power of Pledge 1%. We are the ultimate force multiplier. As we look to the next decade, the future is coming at us fast. AI will bring massive transformation, along with profound opportunities to tackle long-standing challenges in ways we never before dreamed possible. So today, as we ring this bell, we're not only opening the market, we're opening the next decade of impact, a decade we will build boldly and collaboratively for Ariana's generation and all the generations that follow. Thank you.